This black and gold manicure is perfect for your next holiday or New Year's Eve party. Hey everyone, I'm Coral and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, click that subscribe button down below and hit the bell for new videos every week. Today I'm going to share two different black and gold holiday manicures for you. If you've been around for a while, you know that I absolutely love all things nails and nail polish. For years, I always used to do tons and tons of nail art on my nails. Recently, I've been switching to things that are a lot more simple, like both of these black and gold manicures. I absolutely love black nail polish and the way that it looks on my and other people's nails, and I feel like gold goes with it so well, especially for the holidays. Sometimes just plain black nail polish doesn't feel festive enough, especially during the Christmas and holiday time, and the gold in these manicures brings a little bit of something extra to the nail polish to make it special and sparkly for the holidays. Before we get started with the tutorial, I do want to say, if you are somebody who doesn't usually do manicures on your nails, I highly suggest that you check out my at-home manicure tutorial video. I will link that up in the cards before you get started with this manicure. The first manicure is the black and gold glitter gradient. For this manicure, you're going to start with painting your nails black. My absolute favorite black nail polish is Essie's Licorice. I love this nail polish. It goes on so smooth and it finishes so glossy and shiny and looks so good on your nails, and it lasts a really, really long time for me on my nails. So I highly recommend Essie Licorice. If you already have a black nail polish, that's fine. If you want something else, it doesn't matter. You just need a plain black nail polish. You're going to paint your nails with this nail polish. I usually recommend painting your nails with 2 coats of polish. That's just the way that I usually do it. I feel like this covers your nail really well and helps it stick on. Once you get both coats of the black nail polish on your nails, you're going to want to give it a little bit of time to dry. We can't put the gold glitter on top of this black polish until it's had a little bit of time to dry. Then it's time to apply the glitter gradient. The gold glitter that I'm using here is Orly's hairband. I actually have a very small sample size of this nail polish. I cannot remember where I got this nail polish from. I've had it for a really long time. But pretty much you need any type of, I would say, a true gold glitter polish. The goal with this gradient is to give the glitter a fade from the cuticle towards the middle of your nail. You want there to be more glitter towards where the polish starts at your cuticle, and then less glitter fading towards the center of the nail. In order to do this, what you need to do is to take the brush and you're going to start at the part of the nail polish closest to your cuticle, and I would kind of glob a little bit of the gold polish right here along the line of black polish near your cuticle, and then you are going to slowly and gently brush towards the center of your nail. I would not go past the center of your nail. You don't want it to go past this. Now this is just the first coat. As we continue adding more coats, we're going to get less and less glitter towards the center of your nail. So you're going to repeat this process for each of your other nails. Then once you have done all 10 fingers, you're going to start back again on your first one. Again, you're going to put a lot of polish towards your cuticle and then brush it up towards the center of your nail. Now this second coat, you don't want to bring the glitter quite as far as you did the first coat, because again, our goal is the glitter to fade from your cuticle area towards the center of your nail. Sometimes, depending on the type of brush that is on your nail polish, you might have better results if you use a small nail art brush or a paintbrush. Sometimes I use a paintbrush. And once you put the polish on your nail, use that small brush to help fade it down your nail. I usually do this process about 3 times to get the desired result that I want, with more polish towards my cuticle and less towards the middle of my nail. So usually about by the 3rd time, I put a bunch towards my cuticle and only spread it out just a little bit. That way we achieve that fade effect. Once you are satisfied that you have enough glitter on all of your nails, again, give it a couple of minutes to dry, and your last step will be to put on a top coat. My absolute favorite top coat is the Essie Gel Setter top coat. It's super shiny, it really seals in your polish and helps it last longer. And that is the Black and Gold Glitter Gradient Manicure. The next manicure is the Black and Gold Triangle Manicure. This manicure I thought up several years ago as a play on the Half Moon manicures. Those were really popular at the time, but to me they were a little bit hard to achieve nicely and I didn't quite like them as much. So I came up with this triangle manicure. Just like the previous manicure, your first step in this manicure is to paint your nails black. Again, I would suggest doing 2 coats to get full shiny coverage with your polish. Now here with this manicure, it's very important to give your nails time to fully dry. So that black nail polish on your nails needs to be fully dry before you move on to the next step, or you are going to ruin your nails. Step 3 for this manicure is we are going to create a tape outline. Since we are creating a triangle on our nails with this manicure, the easiest way to get nice, clean, and even lines is to tape off your nails. And that's why you need to give your nails plenty of time to dry before you move on to this step. So be patient or you're going to ruin all your nails. In this step, you have a couple of different options for the different type of tape that you can use. Number 1 is painter's tape. This one is pretty much my favorite. I found that this one works the best. I just tear off small strips of this painter's tape, and before I put it on my nails, I make sure that I place it on my skin and peel it on and off a couple of times to take off some of the stickiness, because we don't need it super sticky in order to achieve this effect, and if it is too sticky it could ruin your nails. Another option that's similar to this that you could use is masking tape. I've done this option with masking tape before. It does work just fine, but I do prefer the painter's tape. And option number 3 is nail strips. They sell these small white strips that you can use to block off and outline different elements on your nails. I did try some this time with this manicure, and again felt like the painter's tape did the best job. So once you have whatever type of tape you're going to use to outline the triangle, you're going to place it on your nail in order to create a triangle. So for each nail, you'll need 2 pieces of tape. Start on one side. You're going to start at the edge of your nail at the cuticle, lay the tape across, and then take another piece, start at the corner of your nail again, lay the tape across so that you have a triangle on your nail. Then you're going to need a thick gold glitter polish. My favorite polish to do this with is OPI's My Favorite Ornament. I talk about this nail polish in my video about the best nail polishes for fall and winter. So for this manicure, you need a gold glitter that is opaque on its own. The Orly hairband glitter will not work for this manicure because it is not opaque. If I'm going to paint that on my nails, I'm not going to get a full coat of opaque glitter. So you need something that will be opaque in one coat, like the OPI My Favorite Ornament. So you have your nails taped off. You're going to take your nail polish and then you are going to brush it on your nail. It's okay if you're going over because that's what we have the tape for. And then you're going to want to immediately pull the tape off, and it will leave a nice clean line in the triangles for your manicure. Now, if it messes up a little bit and gets somewhere else on your nail, that's not a big deal. If you get some sticky residue on your nail polish, that's okay too. You can wipe it off, or you can also take some rubbing alcohol and an eyeshadow brush and try to get off as much stickiness as you can. But I'll show you how you can fix that in the next step. You're going to repeat this taping off and painting process for all 10 of your nails until you have triangles on all of your nails. The next step is optional, but you might need it, and that is making touch-ups. So some of the triangles may have gotten a little bit messed up when you pulled off the tape, and that's okay. In order to fix this, one thing that you can do is to take a nail art brush or a small paintbrush, dip it in the gold glitter polish, and then touch up the triangle as necessary. Sometimes you might need to add a little bit of extra polish if it was too thin in one spot, or fix up some lines in order to make sure that you have a nice triangle. You may have also messed up your black nail polish a little bit or gotten glitter way off where it didn't need to be. I did it too. Don't worry, it's fine. In order to fix that, what you can do is go back over with the black polish. Make sure you use a good amount of polish and smooth strokes to brush on the black polish. You can use this to cover the glitter. You can use this to kind of clean up some lines on your triangles as well. Once the gold polish and any black polish that you needed to do touch-ups with has time to dry, the last step is to apply a top coat. And there you have it, 2 black and gold holiday manicures for this holiday season. If you love nail polish videos, click right here for my nail polish playlist, where I give nail polish tips as well as the best seasonal colors and manicures. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.